Mirrors are a great piece of decor, and it is essential that every living room has it in one form or another. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chika, your interior designer and the creative director of Unicorn Interior. So in today's video, we're going to explore the magic of mirrors and how they can enhance your home decor. Mirrors have been a long staple in interior design, but did you also know that they can do much more than just reflect your image? From creating the illusion of more space to adding depth and dimension to your living area, mirrors are an incredibly versatile and effective decorative element. So if you're looking to elevate your home's aesthetics, stick around as we dive into the many benefits of incorporating mirror into your decor. Let's get started. Mirrors create an illusion of more space. There's no limit to how many mirrors you can use in a particular space. There's never a saying as too many mirrors when it is done the right way. Whether your space is large or small or a commercial space, mirrors can never go wrong. It can be fully framed as an accessory on the wall or an accessory accompanying a console table. Small decorative mirrors in groups, fretwork mirrors, and so on. Sometimes mirrors can be installed on the ceiling as well. If this is done correctly, it can make a space look larger than it ordinarily is, and it can also give some depth to that space. Mirrors enhance the natural lighting of any space. When light reflects on mirror, it automatically bounces off the mirrors and brightens the space some more. If you don't have enough natural light coming in, position a mirror directly opposite the major source of illumination in that space, and you'll be marveled how it will brighten the rest of the space. And try this in a dark room with the torchlight. Turn off your light and turn the torchlight towards the mirror, and you'll see the reflection on the rest of the room. This trick is particularly good for rooms with insufficient illumination. Mirrors can also be a conversation starter. Beautiful mirrors with classy and elegant frames, especially ones with carvings, always gets the job done. Sometimes it's just the size that gets one asking questions about it, and before you know it, the conversation has picked up. Also know that your interior design style can determine the kind of mirror you install in your living room or anywhere at all. If you have a traditional interior design style, then you can go all out with the carved mirror frame design. But this same design will not be appropriate for a contemporary living room because contemporary designs work with clean and sleek lines. Mirrors reflect your design and decor when positioned right. One of the best ways to use mirrors is to place them in a position where it enhances your decor and design. That's why it's always advised that whenever you're placing a mirror, don't just think about the wall it's going to sit on. Think about what is going to be reflected in it regularly. If the default reflection is dirty, messy, or unappealing, relocate it to a more soothing wall and ensure that what is going to be reflecting on the mirror is more appealing and can enhance the overall design of your space. So aside knowing how to correctly position your mirrors, where can you use them that would enhance the overall design of your space? So I'm just going to list creative ways with which you can use mirrors in any area of your home. Number 1, decorative mirrors with a console table either in your living room or the entryway. This is not necessarily for the mirror on the wall. The console table and other furniture pieces can be made of mirror fretwork. You, however, need to be careful so as not to go overboard with the mirrors. If it appears that you're doing too much with the mirrors, it can appear really tacky and cheap. So make sure you do only the needful. Don't make your home look like you're trying so hard to impress. You can also use mirrors in your bedroom by the headboard above each nightstand. And of course, a dressing mirror in your room is essential. You can use mirrors on your staircase landing or at the end of your hallway. This is particularly important for short and narrow hallways. This will create an illusion of an extended or an elongated hallway. You can also add some stylish mirror above your TV console. And of course, mirrors in your bathroom and kitchen. Use mirrors on your kitchen cabinet, or better still, use reflective tiles as splashback in your kitchen. Mirror wardrobe doors and cabinets also come handy when you don't have enough space in your room to hang a mirror somewhere else. So add mirrors on your wardrobe or cabinet doors. You can also use broken glass mirrors for accent walls. Those always come out really good. All out or go big. You can go small by using small scale mirrors. Use small scale decors like mirror trays and other table decors. And last on the list, mirrors can replace art pieces. I did a short video on how to correctly use the rule of 3 to enhance the decor of your home. You should check it somewhere up or down in the description. Mirrors can be styled in so many decorative ways. It's an easy way to create a wow effect in your living room or any area of your home. Okay guys, this is all I have for you for today. If you however need any assistance in selection or placement, feel free to reach out to the comment below and I'll sure give a reply. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. As always, my name is Chika and I will see you in the next video.